Companions, in our universe, the Earth is such a planet on which life exists. Yet, this doesn't imply that we are distant from everyone else in this limitless universe. Rather, it is conceivable that large number of living things like our own are including their breaths in the different companions. The nearest space town to Earth is our main planet, the Moon. Also, when we people gained logical headway, we begin longing for seeing the cleanest object overhead. Furthermore, at some point, it additionally happened when people arrived on the Moon's Earth and really thought about obliterating the world there. Also, from that point forward, we have been attempting to draw near to the secretive universe of the Moon with our different procedures. Furthermore, as of now, India has as of late handled its Moon 3 on the Moon's Earth. A strong nation like America has proactively sent people to the Moon quite a long time back. The inquiry is, have we totally annihilated the Moon? Is there nothing in obscurity universe of the Moon? Let me let you know we have not yet had the option to examine even 10 of the Moon. It is conceivable that the other divine creatures we are discussing are around us. Companions, many know and numerous researchers accept that we seem to be the Moon. It isn't exactly similar to that. So companions, which realm can be concealed in our nearest town that is pulling the space organizations of the world towards itself today? Come, companions, in the present video, I will enlighten you exhaustively concerning the strange mysteries of the Moon's reality, which you will likewise be stunned by. Round 384,000 kilometers from our Earth, the production of the Moon occurred around 4.5 a long time back, at the point when our Earth was an extremely hot bundle of hot magma. As a matter of fact, around then in our whole planetary group a huge number of such fireballs were slamming into one another. Round then, a major wave slams into our Earth, which makes a considerable lot of Earth's particles stream into space. Furthermore, due to that particle, the world's gravity continuously turns into a major town which we know today as our Moon. And numerous researchers accept that we seem to be the Moon. Companions, at the outset our Moon was exceptionally near Earth. However, as the Earth chilled off, seas were made on it, and with this, our Moon went further away from Earth. Today, it is around 384,000 kilometers away. However, at times it comes near Earth, which we call the supermoon. Companions, on the Moon's surface there is an exceptionally thick climate which isn't enough for the start of life. Also, the Moon is multiple times less than our Earth. Along these lines, it has an exceptionally light gravitational power. Since people were brought into the world on our Earth, they have been seeing the Moon like this for a long period of time. Be that as it may, as the human brain created and got further, the living things to us were conceived. This moment is considered to be the greatest achievement of mankind. Thereafter, NASA carried out several lunar missions and sent 12 of its astronauts to the Moon. But in December 1972, after the Apollo 17 mission, NASA abruptly stopped sending people to the Moon. The reason for this was that he pointed out that there's nothing on the Moon that can be fully explored. However, many people also wanted to say that NASA has hidden the real reason. While on the Moon, NASA astronauts had something NASA didn't want to say. Many of the 12 astronauts experienced some strange occurrences on the Moon. Therefore, some claimed to have seen an object of a strange shape and like a receiving wire on the Moon.